Hi guys, so in this video I wanted to do a hairstyle using the LoveKinks doeks. I mentioned in the Beauty Buzz video for July that LoveKinks by Sino was going to be launching a limited edition for Women's Month in South Africa, so I managed to get myself one of those doeks. This is the lighter, thinner version of the original doeks that she has. So I wanted to style my hair on camera so that I can show you guys how I would use the satin doek to do a high bun, or how I style my hair if I was going out. This is how it looks. Okay, so it's sewn like that, and it's got two straps, one on each side. And you obviously have the LoveKinks tag. This is what I typically do if I'm in a rush or haven't got time to do my hair or to moisturize my hair. What I do is that I just take a water bottle, I spray my hair, I tie it up in a bun like this, and then I do loose twists. As you can see, nothing perfect. The aim is to make sure that your hair is going to dry in a stretched state for this hairstyle. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take the doek. So you fold it once halfway, and then you fold it again, but not fully. So you can see the second fold is pretty much just the top bit of the doek. So you just want to tuck in those edges like that and just tuck them in, okay? So what we're going to do is that we're going to wrap the hair circumference. I like to cover my ears, do what you guys prefer to do. And then what we're going to do here, I like this style to be on the side like this. So what we're going to do, just tuck your hair if it's in the way. So what we're going to do is we're just going to just roughly tie it. It doesn't need to be perfect right now. What it needs to be is secured. So just tie the hair like this. So as you can see, you just do the best you can because we're going to fix it. But the folding is what is in place. So what we're gonna do is tie it once, and then tie it twice to secure it, okay, like that, and then you've got a knot, right? So next thing you want to do is fold this upwards, and then the edge here, you're going to tuck it in. And then you're gonna see that this material is so lightweight, so it's gonna feel like your hair is not secure, but it is, okay? Your hair is definitely secure. You're gonna do the same here. What you're going to do now is pull so that it does feel more secure on your head. And what you're gonna do is, again, go to that knot and tuck it in. So to make sure that you actually feel more secured, just gonna pull that, and then we're gonna wrap the ties around, and then what we're gonna do again is tuck them in. If you're not sure about the bands being secure, all you have to do is just get a hairpin and you pin that down. I always pair a high bun with the doek with some dangling earrings. I feel like it just adds on to that whole African kind of vibes. So that's what I do. So you can see, guys, that was so simple. Super simple. We're just going to quickly show you the back. So the rest of the hairstyle is seriously just going to be very quick. All you have to do is undo the twists like this. And the reason why I love this type of hairstyle is that even if you have short hair, you can still do this hairstyle. But if your hair is super short and you just don't know what to do with it, just add some extensions to the hairstyle. So you see, guys, that literally took me less than 5 minutes. So when people say, how long does it take to do your hair? 5 minutes. Okay, so what's going to happen through the day, because my hair is still wet, is that it is going to continue. It's going to continue to shrink. So I want this to be on the side like this. So what I'm just going to do is pin my hair slightly down, not too much, just in the direction that I want it to be in, so that it cascades over onto one side of my head. So the great thing about natural hair is that it's not going to always, your hairstyles are not going to always look the same, because your hair just does what it wants to do on that particular day. So you just play around with your hair until you get the desired look that you are going for. So this is the look that I'm going for, kind of like, you know, just showcasing my hair and its health, and also just adding a little bit of glam with it, using the satin doeks. So yeah, so you can just style it. So like you can see what I'm doing now. I didn't like how it was falling this side, so what I'm gonna do is just probably pin it like this, because I feel like it looks better. Like that. Right guys, so this is the look that I wanted to achieve. As you can see, very simple, very easy. It'll only take you about 5 minutes to do. This LoveKinks Doek is so versatile, like I've just shown you. You can sleep in it, you can tie it around the house, or you can jazz it up to go out in. Just wear some great earrings, do up your face, and you're ready to go. So don't overthink how you can style your hair using the LoveKinks Doeks. Guys, very simple, and I've just shown you one of the many ways that you can do it. Let me know if you guys do try this look. Do tag me in your posts, tag LoveKinks as well. I'll also leave their Instagram handle as well as their website down in the description box. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.